Hello.
Yeah, this is Dominos Pizza. How can I help you?
How's it going?
Good, good.
Dr.Phill.
Hello?
Hello.
I can't hear you. Hold on a second, okay? Hold on. We appreciate your call and your patience. We'll be with you as soon as possible. Thank you for holding. How can I help you?
Hello.
Yes?
This is going to be a changing day in your life.
What?
This is going to be a changing day in your life.
Who are you?
Dr.Phill.
Who?
Dr.Phill.
Dr.Phill?
Yes.
Are you kidding?
So how are you doing overall?
Here's a Dominos Pizza. You want to order something pizza?
Whatever.
Okay, so how can I help you?
So how are you doing overall?
Yeah, good.
Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
What do you want from me today?
Oh, I'm busy right now, so can you call back later? Or
So do you have like a job?
I'm sorry, I'm busy right now. Hold on a second. Hold on.
So do you have like a job?